Oh yeah, yeah. I just ran out of battery, so while I was showing you the rest of this place. So yes, so you have closet space with clothes me already wear, so don't take a look at them there. So you have, these are the closet spaces that you have. You have a blanket in there, so if you need it. And these are the closet spaces that you have. Yeah. You have your safe. Yeah. Your passport and your wallet them go in there, so. Yeah, you put your passport and key, and those are clothes that I wore already. So them dirty. I have to go back in England with me. And this is it. Let me say, you have a drink of red stripe beer, don't it? So yeah, this is it. We have fan, we have the AC. So them give fan and AC at the same time. So yeah. Drink up a red stripe beer there. Yeah man, me have a bag of mango. Yeah, some in the fridge and I have some there. Pure East Indian mango. See them there? East Indian mango. For care back with me. Yeah man. Thing they want me swimming in the swimming pool and the sea with. Them a dry up. So I rinse them out and thing. And we're back upstairs again from the 3rd floor balcony. So also there's videos from Ochi. Went to Ochi Rios. Yeah, tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do some rafting business from the arm there. From one of them river there. Sit down on a bamboo raft and bring you some more videos of places that I've been in Jamaica since I've been here. So, let me ask you something. When you say you come on vacation or you come on holiday, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to book in a hotel and you just sleep, go in the pool, go in the ocean, in the Caribbean Sea, or in the ocean, depends where you go. What you really do on a vacation? Because remember, you're a hard-working person like myself. And you need time away, you need time. It's vacation and resting time, isn't it? Well, I don't think you're gonna get no rest, yeah. No rest because you have to get up, you have to go out, you have to go up on boat ride, you have to go Yasso, you have to go Deso, you have to go all over. So it's just like in your yard. When you come in back little more, you go get some rest. But you get for sleeping late. That's the thing. You can't go in early and you can't sleep in late. So that is it. But you still get back refreshed and everything still. And just when you get back at your yard, you feel like, Lord, should I go back at work or shouldn't I? You understand? You have a big decision there to make. Should I go back to work or should I just jump on the plane and go back where I come from? Yeah. Sometimes you feel them way there, you know? Come back and go and work. You work 10 and 12 hours a day and 13 hours and 14 hours a day. You understand? You get out when day no light and you come back in at night. You work 6 and you work 7 days straight as a bus driver. You don't even have time for your family. Get a little vacation, gone back right into the same thing again. Look how him do it now. They make it look easy. No shoveling now. And then now pull up the bag quick. New style how to full a bag with leaf. Look how him do it. Look how easy him step on the bag, you know. And look there, 1, 2, 3. Everything gone in the bag. Hey, me I tell you, say them Jamaican people here, man. One out of many, one people, me say, man. Hey, who don't know if you don't struggle with a shovel, I take it all up in a shovel one by one. Look at the man do. And everything gone in the bag. See there? What's it? Everything that what's it? What's all the bag full of? No shovel, man, no use it now. Them brother here, man, me I tell you, so them very clever. Them Jamaican, them are very clever, man. Do all of that. Yes, so yes, you want to see I'm going at the Wednesday. I went inside the ATM to withdraw some money out in Draxall. And I came out to call my wife to assist me. Leave my phone on top of the ATM and came out and closed the door. And one guy going there, and by the time I go to the car and come back to my wife, man thief my phone. Thief my phone and him disappear. But you know something, it's an iPhone. And I just call my service provider and tell them to shut my phone. Because my phone is facial recognition and number, you know. So that the phone there is no good to them. But the man thief my phone. And my phone now when me use, my phone is like my arm there, you know. It's like my PA, you know. And that me use. transfer money from account to account to account, you know. And I tell you, say, a good thing, me transfer money to different account. Me I tell you, say, my phone, with my phone gone, me I tell you, say, I am so distressed, man. I don't have a phone right now. All of my contacts and all of it. And when I go home, I have to go get a new phone and link up back everything from my cloud. Yo, let me tell you people out there, so you want to say an iPhone, don't thief it. Better on the get up, because you see iPhone is the most secure phone that you have in the world. When you thief an iPhone, it has no use to you. Yeah? An iPhone do not have any use to you, because once them call them service provider and the service provider find the IME or EME number, that phone is going to be rendered. It is going to be rendered no use to you. You can't do nothing with that phone. So that's what I did. I just called my Apple and I called my service provider. You understand? I met them just with the stuff of our fingers. The woman say, yo, the phone is no use to them. The phone is no use to them. I can't even get for use my tracking to find it, because I don't have a laptop with me. You understand? So the person who thieved that phone in a Jacksal, yes. Yeah, you know, from from on top of the cash machine, up on top of the cash machine, it did me put it while me that withdraw money. Yeah, man. Thief my phone, sir. Them thief my phone. So now, good thing wifey there with me. Wifey can pick up the pieces. You understand? So I am like a sitting duck right now. I have no phone at all. I'm not buying a phone here. I'm wait till I go back to England and buy another iPhone. First in my life, you know, I lose a phone, you know. First in my life, I lose a phone, and I just threw rushing. You know, when you rush. Went to the ATM, and you rush, withdraw money, and you buck up on a little glitch, and you have to call the wife to come step in. Well, that happened. I have to call the wife to come step in, and by the time I go so boof back to the car and call the wife, boof back to the ATM and go so boof back. Can't find my phone now, boof back in the ATM. Man were going there after me, gone with my phone, and him just disappear. So you don't even see him nowhere. You check to see if there's anybody turning our phone. I'm not turning the phone. The man they even turning the phone like him not to say it's an iPhone. If one of the thief, one of the thief out there and I say iPhone, don't thief it. The more secure, that's the most secure phone in the world. So when the thief people iPhone, you know say it's not gonna be a useful tool. Yeah? You're not gonna get nothing off of it. You understand? You can't use it. You understand? Depends on the step where the people them take. You can't use it. So you better go fling it in the ocean. Yeah man, I come to my country, come support, and I support the economy as a tourist. And the man see me, know them say he's a tourist because you have on the green thing for you, eh? Yeah, and them know say you're a tourist. You know? Not more than them see that and thief my phone. You can't stay there. So when the hotel put these things on your hands, see them there? The green one me I talk about, see say Bahia Principe there. Principe, the other one a mosquito repellent. You understand? When you go to the hotel and them put those things on your hands, they can't come off and when until you're leaving or whatever. If you take it off, I don't know if they're charge if you're a new one or whatever, but when you're leaving the hotel's ground and you're going out on the street, try and either tie something around or kerchief around your hand so that people can't see it. You understand? I don't talk if you're a Caucasian, them know say you're a foreigner. But when you're a Jamaican and stuff, Yes, them can still tell say you're a foreigner, but not make them see them thing up on your hand. Hide them. Tie something over it and hide it, because once them see them thing there, you're a target. Is it that them a beg your money, or them a try rob you, or them a try thief something from you? You want people, let me know. Yes, man. So, listen. When you're going out, you cover them things upon your hand. You don't make them visible to people, because people know you. People can tell that you're at a resort in Jamaica here. Yeah, so if you don't have nowhere to go, stay on the resort. If you don't come from here, or if you want to go outside, make sure you go outside with a local who you know and trust. You understand? But not do it on your own. Do it with family if you have family here. Understand? Not everybody is the same, you know. Some people find your phone them a turn it in, or most people who find your phone like a turn it in, because them know say it not have no use to them. Not only because them know say it not have no use to them. They are honest people. But you have that little pocket there, that little pocket where things say, boy, you know, them just have this mentality where them things say, boy, stealing something is going to be useful to them. Top the thief in. And everything is going to be useful to them. Yeah. Look how that man load the garbage in the bag. No shovel. Yeah? I'm sure you have a new style how to put leaf in bag. Look how easy him do it. Look how easy him pull the bag them. Okay, listen, viewers and subscribers, this is Mr. X live in England. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Mr. X live in England. But even though I'm Mr. X live in England, I'm here in Jamaica at the Bahia Principe Hotel in Runaway Bay, St. Anne's. We are vacationing with my wife. So listen, I'm going to pause right now. You understand? And I will catch you maybe tomorrow. It is now exactly 2 o'clock. Saturday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon in Jamaica. So listen, like, share, and subscribe to Mr. X Live in England. Remember, subscription is free of charge. Subscription is free of charge. You don't have to sign up for nothing. You don't have to do anything. Just hit that subscription button and support Mr. X Live in England, because there is no me without you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll be back. When I'm back, I'll be back. You'll see sometime next week or so. I will be back in Jamaica, in the UK, and that's when I will begin uploading my content. So Mr. X live in England, I'm signing out one more time. Peace. What I turn on my nose? No, my mouth starch, man. Peace.